Hey everyone, Adan here from AB Digital. So today's tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to add a staff member or an employee. Um, that way you can basically give them access to the entire setup that you have as an admin, or if you want to just give them specific access to say just products, customers, just all that different stuff. You can basically um, like mark the boxes on what you want them to see. So the way to get to that is you are going to go down here to settings on your admin, and then once you're here on settings, you're going to go to plan and permissions, and you will see yourself here as the store owner, and then tells you your last login, yada yada yada. Anyways, right under it, you'll see staff account. And this store that I have here, I'm just playing with as an e-commerce project. But I have the smallest plan at $29 a month. That plan only allows up to 2 staff accounts. If you do want more staff accounts, you have a bigger team, you do have to upgrade to the larger plans, which do allow you more staff accounts. Not just that, but a bunch of other benefits, discounted shipping, all of that stuff. So anyways, here you're going to add a staff account. Type in the first name, and then last name, and then simply an email. Pretty simple here. And then essentially, this is always checked automatically. This staff account will have full permissions. A lot of people don't realize is you can uncheck that and it'll edit permissions. Essentially, this is that part I was telling you about where you can check every single thing you want them to have permissions to. So if you only wanted them to have permission to view reports and dashboards, you go there. Or you can do just like customers, products, essentially everything. If you didn't want them to do something with the numbers here, just kind of selecting all this stuff here that doesn't have to do with your business financials. Um, yeah, or if you want someone to just edit, basically do small changes to your theme, you would simply just select that. Send invite. The invite is going to send them an email. That email is essentially them. They're just going to be clicking a button, accept staff account. It's going to say something like, in this case, it'd be Eternal Body Jewelry is inviting you to create a staff account, and then they'll basically confirm their information there. And once they click approve or accept, can't remember what exactly it says, they will have access now to the themes and everything else over here. If you didn't give them access to specific stuff, like say apps and discounts, if you uncheck those, it'll just be grayed out. They are not allowed to click on it. Yeah, so essentially that's the only thing with adding a staff account. Fairly simple. If you have any questions about staff accounts or even collaborator accounts, or if you have a developer working on your store, or just questions, what access you should give your team, that sort of stuff, just leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. Adios.